Hi, I'm Diana Tootle, a network engineer with Scottsdale Unified School District in Scottsdale, Arizona. A network engineer designs, configures, deploys, manages, and monitors computer network systems. In our school district, we support 36 different sites with thousands of computers and thousands of users. I ensure the stability of our network, which allows information sharing and internet connectivity for our users. Luckily, our network is stable enough that we don't run into very many problems, because with 36 sites being down at one time, that could be a real problem. I don't think people realize the magnitude of math required in the computer industry. Every device of a network, printers, servers, workstations, phones, all require an internet protocol, better known as an IP address, and they are unique to every single device, and they establish connections between devices, locations, and resources. An IP address is composed of 4 octets. Octets being octet 8, it's groups of 4 numbers separated by a decimal. Okay, so for instance, an IP address would be 10.11.12.13. That's 4 octets. Computers only recognize ones and zeros, even though we type A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in order to create the octet that is required to make a connection with a different device, a device located somewhere else, then you have to, the binary is represented by powers of 2. Given for example, the IP address 10.11.12.13, that number would equate to 2 to the 3rd power plus 2 to the 1st power, which equates to 10. 2 to the 3rd power plus 2 to the 1st power plus 2 to the 0 power equates to 11. 2 to the 3rd power plus 2 to the 2nd power is 12. 2 to the 3rd power plus 2 to the 2nd power plus 2 to the 0 power is 13. This will work for any number between 0 and 255. As I was studying math when I was in school, I knew it would be a part of my everyday life, because finances and purchases that we make. I really had no idea that I would use it on a daily basis the way I do in my job as a network engineer. It is actually identifier for almost every piece of equipment I work with almost all day long at work. I recommend that anyone that is interested in computers, a computer field, a technology position, math is going to be very important in your studies.